Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing everyone how to make a card using this stamp set here from Whimsy called So Sorry. And this is the card we're going to be making, and we're going to be making it using distress pens. First, we're going to start out by stamping our image onto some watercolor paper using Distress ink in antique linen. I'm just going to kind of stamp and figure out how I want to arrange all the flowers from this set. I'm also going to be using some stamp masking sheets to kind of create a floral spray. Now to color my card, I'm going to be using distress pens. I'm going to be using Picked Raspberry. I'm also going to use Mowed Lawn. Then I'm also going to use Seedless Preserves. I also use Twisted Citron. And I also use my Zig pen in a light green. And what I really like doing is I like using the blender pens that they have. To me, they work really well, and I really like working with them when I color. To start, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take my distress pen and Picked Raspberry, and I'm going to sort of outline some of the images. I'm actually pressing kind of heavy, and this kind of gives your image a really, I don't know, maybe bold look, so that when you do go to blend and everything, you kind of really see the outline of what you did with your pen. I'm not going to outline every image of the stamp. I just kind of pick a few areas that I want to outline, that I want to stand out. And once I'm done, you'll be able to really see what I mean by when you outline and when you color, you just get this nice bold look to the stamped image. So now I'm going to start working on this second flower here, just again outlining parts of the flower that I really want to have a bold look for, or to really just stand out on the card. And let's get coloring. Now I'm going to begin coloring the leaves. I'm going to be using the mowed lawn. For the branch, I'm actually going to use, I forgot to add that color and I forget what it is, a brown color. I have to find the color of that pen and let everybody know what color that is. Again, I'm just outlining some of the different parts of the leaves and stuff before I actually start to color. Then what I'd like to do is to add a little bit more color just to kind of make things a bit brighter and bolder. So I'll go lay down another layer of color on various parts of the flowers and the leaves just to kind of really brighten things up. Here we have the completed flower. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go in and I'm going to add some seedless preserves. This is the sort of purple color in the distress pens, and this is just going to give it a really nice dark look to the flowers to really make it pop off the page, I would like to say. And it kind of is nice. It kind of gives the flowers a little bit of a different look and feel to it by adding different colors. And here we basically have the completed look. I'm going to add a stamped sentiment, mat it against some solid colored cardstock, and there we go, a nice completed card. Thanks for stopping by.